to give you a little perspective, on this date in 2021, we still had about a half a foot of snow around, and we were just climbing out of that terrible storm. So it could be worse. Not to say that this isn't bad. It really is. It's brutal. Temperatures going to be in the teens and 20s. You factor in the wind, it's going to feel like single digits and teens. And then the possibility of a little spotty black ice. Now, so far I haven't had any big issues reported on roads, and it's been very patchy, but there have been some reports of some light icing on elevated surfaces, mainly off toward the north and west of Austin, from Lago Vista, Leander, Liberty Hill, and on into the hill country. Just be extremely cautious. Even had a report of some light freezing mist as far west as out in the Harper area in Gillespie County. Temperature, it's dropped another degree. At the top of the hour, it was 31. We are now to 30 and falling. You know, accordingly, I've actually dropped the overnight low temperature down to 24. That's the actual air temperature. Currently, you can see that the majority of the steadier precipitation has moved out, but a lot of this mist you can't even really see on radar. High-resolution computer model saying potential for some additional light, spotty freezing rain and or drizzle through the overnight. Just patchy, but just beware. Elevated surfaces do freeze first, and with temperatures that'll be well below freezing, even with the wind out there, there may be some issues. So take care. And also, sidewalks can also be an issue, as well as maybe your front porch or your back deck. 25 feeling like 13 in Llano right now, 30 feeling like 20 in Austin, 36 in LaGrange feeling like 26. The deep freeze is here. The wind, look at this, gusting to 37 in San Marcos. So we have wind advisories in effect for gusts up to 40 miles per hour until noon tomorrow. We also have the extreme cold warnings as well as cold weather advisories. The nuances of all of this, not important. What is important is that you protect the 4 Ps: people, pets, plants, and pipes. This is a pipe bursting cold. When you wake up in the morning, 24 in Austin, wind chill around 11 to 12. Let's go town by town. It is going to be brutal in Mason, 15 with a wind chill of 1, 15 in Harper, a wind chill of 0. Up toward Georgetown, 21 with a wind chill of 7. The airport, 24 with a wind chill of 11. Out east, we're looking at temperatures around 25 by daybreak in Lexington, feeling like 12. Meantime, the next 3 days, I'm expecting we will set 3 consecutive coldest high temperature records, as well as a record low on Thursday morning. And I did drop the low temperature or the high temperature for tomorrow down to 33 based on new computer model information coming in. Lots of blue boxes. That's because of the potential of records and freezing temperatures. And then Friday night into Saturday, a possible wintry mix risk. We'll watch that one closely.